Yes, good morning dear students. Today we will start the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 4. Now the first question is prove that the determinant x sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus x1 and cos theta 1x is independent of theta. It means when you will find out the determinant of this that is the independent of theta, it means the in answer the theta will not come. So let us solve. That is given is x minus sin theta cos theta sin theta minus x1 cos theta 1 and x. Now open the determinant by first row. So x into what is coming here, leave this row and this column, what is coming here minus x square into this term, then minus 1, then this is the sign of when you will open the determinant, here it will come minus sin theta of, leave this row and this column, what is coming here minus x into sin theta, this term, and this term is minus cos theta, and after that plus cos theta, leave this row and this column, what is coming here minus sin theta, multiply this one minus sin theta and cos theta into minus x cos theta, and minus is here, then it will come plus x cos theta. So it is coming here, take minus sign common, so minus x cube like this, minus x open the bracket plus x sin square theta plus minus sin theta into minus cos theta minus plus sin theta cos theta minus plus cos theta into minus sin theta, that is minus sin theta into cos theta, and then cos theta plus x cos theta, it is coming here plus x cos square theta. After that we will write here minus x cube minus x plus x is common from this term and this term, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and here plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta cancel. So what is left here minus x cube minus x plus x into 1, because you know the identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So it is coming here minus x cube minus x plus x, again minus x cancel with plus x, what is left here minus x cube, which is independent of theta. This is answer, which is independent of theta. Now we will solve this is the end of this question. Now we will start the next question. Next question is without expanding, means you have to use here properties. Without expanding the determinant prove that a square bc b square ca c square ab is equal to 1 a square a cube 1 b square b cube 1 c square c cube. This term you have to prove this determinant, this left hand side equal to right hand side without expanding the determinant. First of all we will use the properties. Now here take LHS. LHS is a square bc b square ca c square ab. Now we will operate here, use operation operating r1 into a into r1. It means you will multiply the first row with a and multiply the second row with b r2, and r3 with b r3 c r3. First row multiply with a, second row multiply with b, and third row multiply with c. Now what is coming here after when you will multiply a b c with first row, second row, third row, you will divide the term, that is ABC, divide with ABC. Now what is coming here? Here a square, a cube, then ABC, b square, b cube, ABC, because you are multiplying with here a and here b and here c square, c cube, ABC. After that you will take common ABC, take out ABC from C1. What is coming here? ABC upon ABC. Here a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. Here 1 1 1. It is coming. After that, now in this term ABC cancel with ABC. Now in RHS, that is a square, in we will prove the RHS. Now it is coming from above step. Now we will interchange this term. First we will interchange the C1 interchange to C3. After interchanging, minus sign is coming because we are interchanging two column. C1 interchange to C3. So 1 1 1 is coming here. A square, here a cube, b cube, c cube as it is. Interchanging, after changing C1 and C3, so a square, b square, c square is coming here. But in this side RHS, here a cube, b cube, c cube. So again we will interchange here C2 interchange to C3. Again when you interchange, the minus sign will come, then minus minus plus. So here minus into minus, and here what is coming here? 1 1 1. After interchanging these two terms, these two columns, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. So this is the RHS, minus minus plus. So 1 1 1, a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. So this is the RHS. Now we will solve the question number 3rd. Now question number 3rd is prove, evaluate determinant of cos alpha, cos beta, minus sin beta, sin alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, sin beta, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, minus sin alpha, 0, cos alpha. Now we will evaluate this determinant. Now expand with the help of, now let us start the solution. Expand with the help of R1. I am expanding this determinant with R1. So in R1, what is the first element? That is cos alpha into cos beta. Leave this row and this column. What is coming here? Cos alpha multiplying this one, cos alpha into cos beta, and after multiplying this one it is coming 0. After that this is a11, a12, so minus sign will come. Cos alpha sin beta, leave this row and this column. What is coming here? Cos alpha minus cos alpha into sin beta. Leave this row and this column. This minus sin beta into cos alpha is coming, and here 0 will come, so no need to write 0. And again third is minus sin alpha, sin alpha, leave this row and this column. What is coming here? Minus sin alpha into sin square beta, and multiply this one, minus sin alpha into cos square beta, because sin alpha cos beta into cos beta, cos square beta. Now open the bracket, this one here cos alpha into cos beta, so it is coming cos square alpha into cos square beta, minus here minus minus plus, because plus is this one, so it is coming here cos square alpha into sin square beta, then again minus this term, minus minus plus sin square alpha into sin square beta, again minus sin alpha into cos square beta, so it is coming here plus sin square alpha into cos square beta. These steps are coming here. Now after that we will take common here from this step. Cos square alpha is common. What is left here? Cos square beta plus sin square beta, and again here what is in sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square alpha, cos square beta. So sin square alpha is common, so here what is left? Sin square beta plus cos square beta. So you know that cos square alpha plus sin square beta is 1 plus sin square alpha sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1. So what is coming here? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, and that is also equal to 1. This is the, it means the value of the determinant is 1. This is the answer. Now start with the question 4. Yes, question 4. In question 4 what is given? If A, B and C are real numbers, then determinant of B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, B plus C, C plus A is equal to 0. The value of determinant is this one, and that is equal to 0. Show that, we have to show that either A plus B plus C equal to 0 or A is equal to B is equal to C. We have to solve this one. Now let us start. First of all, in solution, write this determinant. Determinant is B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Yes. Now if we apply here the operation, if we add C1, C2, C3, then it will come 2A, 2B, 2C. So apply the operation. Operate by C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now apply this one. C plus C, 2C, A plus A, 2A, so it is coming here twice of A plus B plus C. After adding these 3 columns, here also twice of A plus B plus C, twice of A plus B plus C. Second and third column as it is, A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. Now after that we will take common twice of A plus B plus C, so take out twice of A plus B plus C from C1. So what is coming here? Twice of A plus B plus C, and then 1 is left here because we are taking this common. So what is left here? C plus A plus B, B plus C. Here A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. This is the determinant. Now we will apply, yes, you know from column 1, this C1, 1, then we will apply here the operation R2 minus R1. We will fix this row R1 and then apply R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. We will make the two term as a 0. So twice, so we will apply operation here. Operate R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. So twice of A plus B plus C. Yes, first row is as it is, that is 1 C plus A plus B, 1 C plus A plus B, and R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1 0, a plus b minus c plus a, then a cancel, b minus c will come. It is coming here 0, b minus c, and here b is cancelled, c minus a is coming. Similarly, last step 0, and this one b plus c and c plus a. So c cancel, what is b minus a is left, and next step c plus a and minus a plus b, a cancel, c minus b will left. So what is left here? B minus a and c minus b. After that we will expand this determinant, expand with c1, because in column, this first column, two elements are 0, so it is easy to expand the determinant. Twice of a plus b plus c, open with this one, leave this row and this column. What is coming here? B minus c into c minus b, like this, multiplying this one, and after this multiplying this one, minus of b minus a into c minus a. This is the value. Now open the bracket, twice of a plus b plus c. Now open the bracket. What is coming here? Like this, bc minus b square minus c square plus bc, and minus is here, so it is coming here bc, then this sign minus bc, minus b into minus a plus ba, then minus plus a into c plus ac, then minus plus a into minus a square. Now we will arrange the term, twice of a plus b plus c. Yes, minus a square, from this term minus b square minus c square is minus a square minus b square minus c square plus ab, this one ab plus bc because one bc is here and one bc cancel, so ab plus bc plus ca. These terms are left. Now in next step we will take the minus common from this term, so minus twice of a plus b plus c, here plus a square plus, because we are taking minus common, plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. After that, now next, if determinant equal to 0, that is in question it is given determinant is equal to 0, like this. So this term is equal to 0, so we are writing here minus 2 into a plus b plus c, and here a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to 0. This is given because determinant equal to 0, so we can write in this way. After that, a plus b plus c is here, minus is also here, multiplying 2 inside the bracket, 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca equal to 0. Yes, then a plus b plus c, yes, make the factor here 2a square, so we can write it a square plus a square, 2b square is b square plus b square, and 2c square is c square plus c square. Then we will make the formula here. After making formula, it will come a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square equal to 0. Now it means either a plus b plus c equal to 0, or a minus b, this term a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square equal to 0. After that a plus b plus c equal to 0, or a minus b equal to b minus c equal to c minus a equal to 0. So in this step, a plus b plus c equal to 0, or A equal to B equal to C, hence very